Go to the Play Store. Type 7Sugar. Select 7Sugar app and click on Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Open the app. Enter your phone number to continue. You will receive an OTP number on your registered mobile number. Set the PIN by entering PIN and confirming the PIN. Continue. Enter your first name. Enter your last name. Select your gender and upload your profile picture and go to Next. Enter your age. Enter your height. Enter your weight. Enter your waist size. Once you enter login, click on Complete My Profile. In case the information is incomplete, click on pen symbol and enter the required information. Click on the plus button, Book Appointment. Select your doctor or healthcare professional. Select the date and the time slot of the appointment. Select the appointment type, a video call or a telephonic call. Please enter current symptoms if any. please proceed to pay. Select from different payment options. The appointment is booked and reflects in your task list. Click on the invoice sent by a doctor. Select a payment method. Receive an update on your payment in the chat. Open the 7Sugar app and click on the plus button in the home page and select Mail. Click on the plus button, select Camera or Gallery. Allow the app to take pictures. Focus and click a complete plate picture. Add a description of the food in the comment section. Select meal type and submit. In the 7Sugar app, click on the plus button and select SMBG. Select from the camera or gallery, upload a written blood glucose reading or a picture of a glucometer. Select the reading type, enter the reading value, change the date and time accordingly. Submit. In the 7Sugar app, select plus button, select vitals, enter blood pressure, heart rate, temperature, SpO2, respiratory rate, weight. You can also upload your lab results, blood ketones, A1C, and add a comment. Submit.